Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports as of 15th February 2025. Political news. India and US strengthen defense and trade relations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump have unveiled plans to deepen defense cooperation, with India set to acquire advanced systems like F-35 stealth fighter jets. A new 10-year framework aims to enhance collaboration across air, land, sea, space, and cyberspace domains. While this move is seen as bolstering India's deterrence capabilities, experts note that India's dependence on Russian arms will continue in the near term. The partnership underscores shared concerns over China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region. In trade discussions, both nations have set an ambitious target to double bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. Collaborations are planned in sectors such as artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and strategic mineral supply chains. Efforts are underway to finalize a mutually beneficial trade agreement, with the US aiming to address existing trade imbalances. Chhattisgarh local bodies election results anticipated. The counting of votes for Chhattisgarh's local bodies elections, held on 11th February, is scheduled for today. The elections encompass 10 municipal corporations, 49 Nagar Palikas, and 114 Nagar Panchayats. A voter turnout of 72.33% was recorded, marking an increase from previous years. The results will provide insights into the political climate ahead of the state's upcoming assembly elections. Sports news. Changes in IPL streaming model. The Reliance Disney joint venture has announced a shift from completely free streaming of IPL cricket matches. A hybrid model will be introduced, offering free content up to a certain limit, after which subscriptions will be required. Subscription plans are expected to start at 149 rupees, with an ad-free version available for 499 rupees for 3 months. This move follows the recent merger of Reliance and Disney's India media assets, aiming to strengthen their position in the competitive streaming market. Deepti Sharma appointed UP Warriors captain. Deepti Sharma has been named the new captain of the UP Warriors for the Women's Premier League 2025, succeeding the injured Alice Healy. Deepti aims to lead with a bold approach, drawing inspiration from Healy's leadership style. She emphasizes stepping out of her comfort zone to benefit the team and prefers batting in the top order to better influence the game. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.